With various beautifying purposes, this essential oil promotes healthy, glowing skin and hair while providing a sweet floral aroma. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about doTERRA's Geranium Essential Oil. The main benefits are that it beautifies your skin, calms and grounds emotions, repels insects, and is a natural DIY potpourri. The directions and common uses include diffusing 3 drops of geranium with 3 drops of sandalwood to balance emotions and ward off insects. You can also apply 1 to 2 drops with doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil to your face in the morning, and you can do it at night as well. Lastly, you can place 1 to 2 drops in a veggie capsule and take morning and night for digestive benefits as well. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I will see you in the next video.